Hallo zusammen, Crown-Klitis oder Christo. Willkommen beim vierten Teil zum Max Payne 3 Let's Play. Legen wir doch gleich weiter. Los, zack.
I'd been sitting at the bar for 3 hours, or about 5 years, depending on how you looked at things. I tried not to look at things. I tried not to think about when it was that my existence became less about the things that make up people's lives, and more about the holes that losing those things leave behind. But I wasn't doing a very good job at it.
Oh, where's the women? I need to get laid,
Put the
baby.
music up! We're here!
These pricks had been annoying me for days. They were typical Jersey rich kids. The ringleader, I think his name was Tony. His dad was some well-known hood, drug dealer, racketeer, pillar of the New Jersey community.
Line them up, line them up, line them up.
Let me ask you a question.
Let's go.
Where the fuck are your donuts?
This kid had a well-developed sense of humor for New Jersey.
Seriously? I thought I told you to get out of here, old man.
Yeah,
Get out of here, old man.
It's a nice echo. You gorillas have personalities of their own, or they just agree with everything you say?
Very funny, old
He's
man.
snapping it
Very
up, snapping it up.
fucking
This
funny.
guy's hilarious.
Yeah, has-been washed-up old cops should go on TV.
Yeah.
Tell some jokes about how you got your wife killed or some shit.
Yeah, where's the little old lady?
Or
Hey.
how you got involved with killers.
Oh,
I own this town, amigo.
That's a good line. You practice that in front of the mirror in your underwear? Your father owns this town. Yeah, dear old dad, a well-known drug dealer and murderer. You're nothing but a chump.
Hey,
Disrespect my family. You ain't got the right.
Hey, you don't take that from this punk,
I
Tony.
ain't taking nothing from him. God hasn't already deprived him of. But I might start anytime. Now say you're sorry. You
Say
fucking
you're sorry.
has-been caught motherfucker. Say you are sorry.
Say you're fucking
Look
sorry,
away from me.
you
Look away
fucking
from me. Don't you stare at me. Say you're sorry.
Listen to him.
Which you want first?
Don't act clever, you fucking leather jacket dipshit cop cunt. Don't act clever.
Got him right
I will
between
blow
the
your
fucking
brains
bum out.
all over this
Fuck this
counter. Every
motherfucker.
fucking where.
Blow him up.
Tony, calm
Yeah, don't fuck with me, Marty. I'll shoot you as well.
Marty,
Don't fuck with me.
Marty, he ain't fucking kidding.
Put the
Shut
gun
fuck
down,
up.
son!
Who the fuck is this?
Put the gun down
Oh,
now!
oh,
Hey.
Thank you, thank you. Now
Stay
get
away
the
from
fuck
me.
out of here before any of you get shot!
I got you. Who the fuck are you?
I got
Don't
you.
worry
Fuck.
about it.
Fuck.
Go on!
I got
Fuck
your
off!
face.
Get you,
We're coming
motherfucker.
back for you,
Yeah.
you fuck.
I look
got
forward
your
to it.
face.
Yeah? Stay
I'll be
right
back.
here. Stay right here.
You don't know who you're fucking with.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay, let's see.
Max fucking Payne! How you doing, man?
I'm doing about as good as I look.
You don't remember me? Pasos. How Pasos? Come on, we went to the academy together, man. You don't remember?
That's going back a long way, French.
I spent 5 years on the beat in the Bronx, working homicide. I nearly got killed, man. I gave up. I got into private work. Here, Central America, Brazil, where my family comes from. All over.
Ah, that's great. Travel, see the world.
Yeah, keeps me busy. I take care of people, you know? Proper bodyguarding. Hey, I'm working for a good firm. I'm actually here on a bit of a recruitment drive.
Yeah, well, why don't you drive on off back into the sunset there, Pesos? It's been nice catching up.
At least let me buy you a drink.
Yeah, sure. Anybody can buy me a drink.
All right. 2 more. Look, this is the way we do it in Brazil, baby.
I had to admit, I kind of liked the
Come
guy.
on. Hey, another round, another round. Max is buying.
He had a
owes me.
great set of stories, but I still wasn't interested in becoming a white knight again.
Saúde.
Cheers.
What, I don't look like I go to Shakespeare or something?
Ba-dum-bum.
Saúde!
Get in there.
You faggot still got something to say to me?
Yeah. Fuck off.
I don't like spicks who tell me to fuck off.
Well, good for you. Now fuck off!
Don't stare at me, whore.
Fuck you, asshole. No dick, asshole.
What'd you say?
You heard me. I'm not frightened of you, you spray-tan Guido douche.
Girl sure had balls. I had to give her that.
Oh, shit!
Uh-huh.
I don't know why I did it. Guess I never liked seeing girls get hit. But from that moment, I was dead in that town.
Die kleinen Vollidioten, die haben sich mit dem Falschen angelegt, Mann. Komm schon, du Penner. Komm schon rauf. Trau dich. Oder scheiß mit dem einfach scheichen, genau. Ah, das ist auch dort, ja. So. Oben, ja, okay. Ja. Das ist eine hässliche Wunde, ja. Schöne Uhr. Weißt du, ist der sich mit seiner ganzen hohen Gang hier angerauscht, oder was? Schnell mal rauf schauen, ob wir durch etwas finden. Ist mit höchster Wahrscheinlichkeit einfach eine Sackgasse. Ah, mal, schau jetzt.
The bar has a lot of
ganz geil.
memories for me. Most of them fuzzy, but memories nonetheless. This looked like goodbye.
Das ist ganz geil gemacht. Das ist wirklich ganz stylisch gemacht. Oh ja, gut. Ja, Pumpi ist aber schon nicht das Beste für diese Distanz. Aber für die schon. Haha, der Vollidiot. Also, schnell mal Pillen fressen. Und dann mal schnell Waffen wechseln. Alright. Komm schon, führen mit dir. Oh, da ist auch noch einer. Sicher, ist schon noch ein bisschen viel Leben. Und jetzt diese. Ja, da haben sie gering, hä? So. Oh! Der hat seine Chance auch nicht genutzt, hä? Was ist da noch einer? Ja, da ist wirklich noch einer. Der ist zum falschen Zeitpunkt ins Bild gesäckelt. Oh je.
Time to see what's waiting outside for us.
Ist nicht noch irgendein paar Painkiller für mich? Chicks
The only
montiert.
way my first meeting with Passos could have gone any worse was if he turned a gun on me along with everyone else. I should have realized. Partnerships start as they mean to go on.
Weißt du, die haben vom Drogenchef seinen Sohn erschossen. Du musst ihn auch verpissen. Ach du Scheiße, Mann. Oh shit. Nein, das war ein Fehler. Das war wirklich ein Fehler, dort aufzustehen. Wer hat jetzt auf mich geschossen? Okay, da müssen wir nicht das System vorgehen. He? Pumpe 4 Schüsse. 5 Leute. Also. Und wieder runter, genau. Jetzt müssen wir schnell... Oh, shit! Man hätte den Karren können sprengen. Ja, ist ja klar gewesen. Wo ist der Typ? So. Und so wie der Max jetzt aussieht, hat er eben auch im ersten und im zweiten Teil eigentlich ausgesehen. Bevor er sich dann einen schönen Kurzhaarschnitt montiert hat. Da gibt's nichts, hä? Hinten scheinbar auch nicht. Gut, let's run.
gonna make this easy for us, are they?
Stay over here. Cover me.
Yes, sir.
He could have been setting me up for a fall, but something told me to stay put and trust him. And there he was, back in amongst it to help me out of a jam.
Ah, schön, schön.
You all right? You all right? Yeah, I'm good. I live right around the corner. Let's go this way.
Let's go, man.
The bar was right around the corner from my apartment. It only took a few minutes to get back.
It's a nice place you got here, homie.
Thanks for noticing.
Why are you living like this?
Like what?
You know, scratching around? Sitting in bars all day?
Maybe I just haven't found the right guy to put a bullet through my head yet. I just don't know.
I can get you work, Max. Work that only a guy like you can do.
Can you give me work sitting in a bar feeling sorry for myself? Where do I sign up?
Saúde.
Gesundheit.
Geiles hier.
You were the best guy in the academy. And you won medals on the street.
Hey, I lost loved ones on the street. All right? Family. More than once.
Yeah, I know. So leave. You know? Start over. You've mourned enough.
I ain't a cop no more.
And this ain't cop work. This is protecting people in places where the cops ain't too hot.
No thanks, pal. I think I just better lay low for a while.
You, I want on the roof. You, I want on every doorway. And you guys, I want every fucking corner covered.
About that plan.
I'm coming after you, you motherfucking murdering bastard! Me and 100 angry greaseballs!
Who's that?
Anthony DeMarco, he's the father of the kid I just shot.
Max Payne!
Yeah, that looks about right.
Payne! You killed my boy! You killed my only son!
We gotta get out of here now.
Now, you're not inviting these guys in?
When had I ever needed to invite trouble in? It always found me, no matter where I hid.
Vamos, man, let's go! Droga!
Okay, sie haben Grüne. Alright, ich muss noch schnell kurz durch die Wohnung umschauen, ob es da irgendetwas zum Einsammeln gibt.
This old guy, my days of playing dress up were over. I wasn't some gallant knight. I didn't need a shield.
Schau jetzt, schau jetzt.
Might make the pain of leaving somewhat easier.
Oh, scheiße, scheiße.
I guess I thought if I was going to be shot in the face in here, it would probably be me pulling the trigger.
Einfach mal ein bisschen Raueli gemacht, ja genau.
Hey, you fucking dick!
Oh shit! Geile Sicht!
Shh, my boy. Don't be afraid of the fires. You think that'll hurt you? You think they'll char your skin and char your bones? But it'll make you clean in the long run. The joys of hygiene!
Holy shit! Das war ein richtiger Crackhead.
Come to me, you sinners, you evil men! You were born in filth and squalor, but today you will be cleansed. Cleansed in fire!
Oh shit! Ah, that's
It was
richtig
hard
overwitz.
seeing Brewer go out like that. But I got to thinking, it was what he was waiting for.
Ja, man.
A chance to make a difference. At least that's what helps me sleep at
Ach
night.
du Scheiße.
The apartment made me wish I'd got to know him better.
du Scheiße, Mann.
It made for interesting reading. If I'd been given a few more years looking into the bottom of a glass, I might have been on the same page.
Type, da will Bomben basteln oder was?
Looked like he was keeping an eye on me. Must have thought we were kindred spirits. More and more, I think he was right.
Hey, nein, was geht mit dem hier? Leckt mir am Arsch. Sorry, ja. Das haben wir schon gesehen. Alright. Gehen wir raus. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Ist aber ganz unschön. Schnell schauen, ob die Taktik nochmal geht. Einfach durchrollen. Das hat wirklich geklappt mit mir verreist. Oh ja, das haben sie sehr detailliert dargestellt.
Up and out. Scramble away from what's left of your life over dead bodies and a few loose roof tiles. If I'd thought things through, I may have sat down and let myself burn right there.
Okay, schnell schauen, wo sie sind. Da können wir auch näher dorthin. Gut. Ja, das funktioniert gut mit diesem System. Shit. Hey, nein. Schön daneben gerissen. Das Geile ist eigentlich nur, dass die Pistole gäbig langt in diesem Game. Das waren jetzt die, die geredet haben. Oder bin ich jetzt hier nur paranoid? Oh nein, 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 nein. Nicht mit paranoid, ha? Was? Wie ist hier? Wie viele Kugeln schlucken die? Komm raus! Oh, oh, oh. Dieser Penner noch. Okay, was muss ich jetzt hier runter, oder? Schnell schauen, ob da hinten etwas ist. No, sorry. Was? Gibt's ja nicht. Wow, das war eine rechte Distanz. Und ich wäre fast abgekratzt. Wo sind jetzt die Typen her?
Gunfire over Hoboken. Felt strange to be at the center of it again. The target, that is. Like an old comedian hearing one last round of applause.
Also da können wir nicht rein. Probieren wir mal das. Ja. Wo ist eigentlich der Passo?
Alright guys, let's look alive. We're gonna get this prick. Come on, I wanna hear some motivation. Let's go.
Hey, what was that?
Ja, nein.
What was what?
I heard something.
Kind
Up there!
Up where?
Up there!
What you bitching? No, there he is! Shoot him!
Oh, Scheiße, Mann. Also alle ausgelöscht. Geil. Zeitlupe, Schnissel. Ja. Ja, so bleibst du auch mal fit, gell?
You need some help there, brother?
I needed help 5 minutes ago.
You look like you were doing fine.
Yeah, well, it doesn't feel that way.
Well, you ain't lost it. Hey, it looks like there might be a way down through the wreck up here.
Also komm, schnapp, wir müssen noch MP5.
There were wrecks all around, and not the kind you fix up for a weekend project. These were the wrecks you cross the road to avoid.
Wow.
They don't need to second guess us when they're covering all the
Was gut mit denen?
They still stick to crack.
Also. Wer will noch? Wer hat noch nicht? Hier hinten ist noch einer scheinbar. So. Was ist draussen? Kleiner Umweg. Ah, da ist keiner scheinbar. Was? Aha, da kann man einfach von hier aus reinschießen. Ja, super. Was? Ja, komm. Das war jetzt voll für nichts. Er ist getroffen worden. Wie man unschwer erkennen kann. Hier alle Mini-Uzis. Also, mal schauen, was da oben ist. Immer schön vorsichtig. Ist das ein Hang? Nein. Was sind die Sachen? Schau jetzt an, okay. Okay, schnell wieder chillen. Nicht, dass ich dort weggeballert werde. Ja, und dieser schiebt mich einfach raus, oder was? Crown ist auch schon da gewesen, ja? Wer schießt jetzt hier genau auf wer? Was der everywhere? Die hat es alle gekillt. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Scheinbar nicht. Ah, da innen. Naja, schöner Moment. Okay, cool. Schöne Wohnung, effektiv. Hey, nein, wo kann ich jetzt da aber einfach jumpen, oder? Nein, auch nicht. Was? Ah.
Come on.
These chumps have been chopping up cars around the corner from my apartment for the last year. The ex-cop in me clocked it months ago, but the deadbeat in me didn't give a shit.
What the fuck?
Oh, das ist Bar hier. Ja, voll da hinten, ha. Ja, viel Leben habe ich nicht mehr. Noch einen Schuss und dann bin ich tot. Das ist, glaube ich, aber auch nur noch ein Gegner, oder? Ja, genau. Last one.
I'm fine with the leather.
There's plenty here, going begging.
This don't show the blood so much.
Ich brauche unbedingt Painkiller. Unbedingt. Ist da in diesem abgefuckten Büro irgendetwas? Nein. Mal.
Always
Yes.
in moderation.
Was haben wir da noch? Gut. Überall die goldigen Teils finden, das ist noch easy.
Okay.
Ah, das ist gut, wenn du doch aufmachen kannst. Aha. Sind die sicher? Da, aha. Ich glaube, die haben wir, oder? Let's try. Call 911, ja, das kannst du gut sagen. Der hat mich noch fast von hinten verwünscht.
Dead end.
But you knew your way around these parts.
Ja, du kannst einfach drüber klettern. Schau rechts Mauer.
Yeah.
Oder so, ja.
No, to you. Let's go, amigo.
You like that?
Should be a bit quieter in here.
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, I can see why you'd want to leave this place, Max. It's real charming.
Isn't it?
So look, I got some friends in Queens. We can stay there for a few days.
Queens.
You want a job yet, Max?
So here we were, miles up the Tiete River, looking for what we did not know.
Max. You listening? Max! So like I was saying, I think they're a group called the Crashapre.
Why'd you tell me they were called the CS?
They are. I mean, Fabiana. She was kidnapped by the CS. The guys that crashed that little party at the stadium, they were a group of paramilitaries.
You'll have to forgive me for not being able to follow all this.
You're not supposed to follow it. The government can't even follow it. It ensures that no one's ever guilty.
So why'd they do it? Bust us at the stadium.
Somebody told them we were gonna be there with a whole lot of money. Anyway, the money's gone. Just hope we can get the girl back.
Yeah, me too. Wonder where the hell she is.
You know, there's a harbor about a half a mile up. She's gotta be there. This is a known Comando Sombra area.
You know, if I'd been doing my job properly, we wouldn't be out here in the middle of nowhere looking for some broad who got pinched on my watch.
That's what we tell ourselves, huh? It's all our fault.
No, I'm serious. By the time they grabbed the girls, I was half cut. I ain't slipping, man. I'm slipped. I'm a bad joke.
Max, we work private security. We're all ex-soldiers, ex-special forces, ex-cops, ex-good guys. We all have our reasons why we became ex. Maybe now we can put things right, okay?
So that was it, was it? Say the magic word and be absolved of your sins. If only shit were that simple, I'd have done it years ago. Me, I've been stuck in the past so long, I'd forgotten what year it was.
Hey, Max, quit your daydreaming. This is it. It's over there. I'm gonna cut the engine. Glide in.
Don't go anywhere.
Ganz geil. Ja, da freue ich mich schon durchzuziehen. Aber ja, ich muss mal fertig machen, sonst wird die ein bisschen zu lang hier. Ja, nein, es sieht richtig stylisch aus. Hey. Also die Grafik ist wirklich Bombe. Muss ich wirklich sagen. Extrem detailliert und für so eine alte Konsole wirklich schnittig. Ja, easy. Hoffe, es hat euch gefallen. Schöne zusammen.